Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw Google Opinion rewards. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so Google Opinion rewards let you earn small amounts of credit or cash by answering short surveys. And here's how to withdraw your earnings depending on whether you're using Google Play credits or cash outs via PayPal. So what we first need to do is go ahead and check your balance. Open the Google Opinions rewards app. Tap the menu icon or your profile photo, then your current balance will be displayed at the top. Now we want to go ahead and identify your reward type. So Android users typically receive Google Play credits, and iOS users some Android users in specific regions may receive cash via PayPal. Alright, withdraw Google Play credits. So this is for Android. So note, Google Play credits can't be transferred or converted into cash. So use credits for buying apps, games, or in-app items, renting via movies or books on Google Play, and even subscribing to services like YouTube Premium. To spend credits, go to the Google Play Store, add items to your cart, and then at checkout, select Google Play Balance as the payment method. Now, if you want to withdraw cash to PayPal, this is if you're eligible. If you receive cash rewards, ensure your PayPal email is linked during setup. Rewards are set automatically once you reach the minimum threshold around $2 USD or local equivalent. The payout is typically automatic and processed within a few days of completing surveys. You'll receive a PayPal notification or email once the transfer is complete.